For your information, this is a 1966 Dodge Monaco. On a lot of older Chryslers, and I know for sure Chryslers, I'm sure other models like GM made this too. But I'm not going to say for sure. But I do know for sure Chrysler made this design. All you do, boom. See? You got your little latch under here. A lot of people don't know this. But you better watch out for the ones who do. This car, the parts have been stolen off of it because, well, somebody out there knew a little bit about old cars. The basics, you say. And they stole the carburetor off of it. And the plug wires and distributor cap and so forth. Just parted it out. You got your little rod. And it connects. It runs all the way to your hood latch here. And right there is where your hinge or hanger, whatever you want to call it, goes. Just pop it on up and your hood's open. But you gotta give it a good slam to get it to shut. Because if you don't slam it like that, you have to pop it open again and reclose it. So, if you cannot figure out how to pop your hood on your car, or if you just got a new car, try looking over at the grill.